Hello everyone. Today we will talk about employees, income expense type, income expense group, discounts, purchase cost, and currencies. Let's begin with employees. In the employees section, you can group your employees as you wish. This helps you view all the year data in a detailed manner. In the first section, all the primary information about employees is included, such as their name, position, branch, hire date, birthplace. And in the second section, additional details like city, phone number, date of birth, email address, and others are entered. You can see. Then income expense type. The income expense type section allows you to list all expenses in detail. This is an effective tool for managing expenses efficiently and viewing them all in one place. As shown in example, expenses are listed individually, such as electricity bills, water bills, petrol charges, and other types of expenses. You can also record your own specific expenses along with their details. Now, income expense group. In the income expense group section, these expenses are grouped and recorded accordingly. It is an ideal tool for viewing expenses in a categorized format: employee expenses, office expenses, transport expenses, and maybe others. Then discounts. In the discount section, you can record the discounts you offer to your customers. This allows you to see in detail which discounts have been provided to each customer and helps you monitor and apply discounts appropriately during sales. Then, purchase cost. The purchase cost refers to the expenses incurred during the purchase of goods. This can include various types of costs. You can easily record each one here. For example, in the sample, 2 costs associated with purchases. Customs and cargo expenses are shown. You can see. And finally, currencies. In the currencies section, you can add all types of currencies you use. This can include both those shown in the example and any other currencies specific to your needs. For example, UK pound sterling, US dollar, Turkish lira, euro, and others can be. See you in our next videos. Bye bye.